Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. My name is Hollabec, and today we're going to be doing a fun sewing project together. It's simple and it's good for the environment. Please know that this is not my design. This is one that I saw on Pinterest, but it looks super easy, so I thought I would do it with you guys. And together we're one step closer to helping our planet. For this project you will need 4 items, a pair of scissors, either a sewing machine or a needle and thread because you can do this by hand, a 6x15 piece of cotton, and I'm using just regular cotton, which will be great for dry snacks, but if you want to use this for wet snacks like fruits, you're going to want to find a food-safe treated cotton. And finally, to help close our little pouch, you're going to need some Velcro. I will also note that pins will help, but they're not really necessary. The first step is to fold one end 3 inches in so that the wrong side of your fabric is facing out. Next, you will fold your fabric in half and pin the double folded corner, and then from there you will cut a diagonal. So this will leave you with a point at one end, and then when you open your fabric back up, you should have your main piece and then another smaller triangular piece, which we'll be sewing to it in a bit. So at this point, I don't want the thread that I'm using for my Velcro to show through on the other side. So before I start sewing all my pieces together, I'm going to be sewing my Velcro pieces together. And I mean, I hope this doesn't need to be said, but obviously make sure that you have the 2 correct sides so they actually stick together. And you may need to kind of mock up the final design just to kind of see where your Velcro is going to go, and like just make a small mark and then sew it in place, making sure that it's nice and secure. And you can do this by sewing around the perimeter and then doing like an X. And once that's done, we can finally start really assembling this. So we're going to start by matching up that singular triangular piece to the main piece so that the wrong side is showing on either side. And we'll sew around the triangle, leaving that bottom open because we're going to be then flipping it inside out. And then you'll top stitch around the edge. Next, we'll want to hem up the other end of our main piece, about 1/4 inch. And then the final part is to fold the end of your main piece over itself. So again, wrong side facing out on both. And you'll hem up either side. And then once that is complete, you'll flip it inside out so that the pattern is all on the outside, and that's it. That's your little food pouch. It's super simple, it's super easy, it's cute, it's environmentally friendly. What more could you want? Alright guys, but that was all I had to share with you today. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you end up making this, I want to see your designs. I want to see the patterns you picked and how well you did, so leave me a picture or tell me about your experience. Of course, if you are new here, you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel because that would mean the absolute world to me. And that being said guys, I will see you the next time around.